from here, as you can see, it's folding up on its hinges right there. I'm just going to take this and pop it up and kind of get the general shape. From here, I'm going to take this, set that down, and drop this body in, and then slide them inside those slots. Okay. You can see where I've placed some angle iron. These are the end portions. So as I fold this down and around, these angle iron pieces are going to fit with the sides of the stove. At this point, you can see how it slides right inside these points. And if you look on the outside, right here, this body is pressed between this lip and then of course that angle iron inside here. And that's what locks these walls in place. So the next phase here is to fold this guy over the lips and then align this one up. You open up this box and then you're able to press those angle iron pieces in so it locks this high portion right here. And then this leg goes up. Close the box back up. And then that locks it in place. From there, there's your stove. Here she is on her maiden voyage in an old school baked paint job. It's the high heat Rust-Oleum. Give you a quick walk around.